Good morning. Welcome to Southport, North Carolina, here at the beginning of the Easter weekend. Usually this is one of our warmer days, and I think the last video I made a couple of weeks ago I was standing out here chilly too. But we have had some wonderful weather, and we are looking forward to having a great Easter weekend. Lots of people here for our Southport Spring Festival that's going on, as well as all the activities around Easter Sunday. So right behind me we do have our model home, which is getting closer to completion. We are in the process of getting sheetrock and cabinets in, and so hopefully the 1st of June we will have a finished product for our grand opening. We also have lot 25 that is about the same stages as this one. So our home prices here start in the mid 250s and go up from there. We also have some custom home sites available as well on the marsh. So if you have any questions, please go to our website at www.turtlewood.com. You can fill out an information form there. We'll be more than happy to send you some great info. So I hope you have a wonderful Easter weekend, and please take a look at the attached flyers as well as some of our other inventory that we have at RE/MAX Essential.